In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive your emails efficiently and effortlessly. Whether your inbox is overflowing or you're just looking to declutter, archiving can help keep your email organized so you can focus on what really matters. Let's dive right in and make your email archiving a breeze. First and foremost, you'll need to select the emails or folders you wish to archive. This is an important step, as it allows you to decide which emails are essential to keep in your main inbox and which ones can be safely stored away. If you're working with folders, simply click on the folder you want to archive. If you're selecting individual emails, just click to highlight each one, or if you prefer, use the Shift or Control key to select multiple emails at once. This level of customization is great for managing large volumes of emails efficiently. Once you have your selection ready, the next step is to initiate the archiving process. You can do this by right-clicking on your selected emails or folder. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Archive. Alternatively, if you prefer going through the file options, you can click on the File tab at the top of your window. Then look for Tools and hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu where you can choose Clean Up Old Items. Select whichever method feels most comfortable for you. Both achieve the same end result. Now it's time to decide where you'd like to store these archived emails, as well as establish a date range. When prompted, you'll notice an option to choose the archive location. This is where your emails will be moved, so make sure it's a place where you can easily retrieve them when needed. You can choose a pre-existing archive folder or create a new one dedicated to this task. The date range helps you specify which emails will be archived. For instance, you might want to archive only emails older than a certain date. Use this feature to refine your selection process further, ensuring that only emails within the specified time frame will be moved. Finally, when you're satisfied with your settings, click OK. At this point, your selected emails will be transferred to the designated archive folder. This step concludes the archiving process, and you'll find that your inbox looks much tidier and more manageable. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to archive your emails effectively. Regularly archiving can help enhance the functionality of your email setup and save you time in the long run. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to keep your emails organized and you'll notice a significant boost in productivity in no time. Hinaus.